Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you how much the time taken to charge in the Honor 9X. So this is a adapter guys which has been included in the box. So let me show you the watt amperes it is. So as you can see closely 5 volts 2 amperes. So right now I'll be charging the Honor 9X using the default charger. So it is a stopwatch ready for the charging test. And the Honor 9X comes with a 4000 mAh of battery. So let me start the test guys. So right now it's completely dead. There is no charge in this phone. So recently I did the similar kind of test with a Huawei Y9 Prime as well guys. So check the links in the description if you are interested to watch the device videos. So in the future I'll be doing a lot of comparison videos between the Honor 9X and the Realme X as well. So stay tuned guys for that. So again I'll be recording the video after 30 minutes and then 1 hour and then completely fully charged. So we'll get to know how much the battery will charge in the first 30 minutes and in the first 1 hour of the device. So I'll be back after 30 minutes guys. So as you can see guys, right now the time is around 30 minutes. So let us check the battery how much it charged. So 33%. So again I'll be recording the video after 30 minutes guys. So we'll get to know how much the battery charged after 1 hour of charging this Honor 9X. As you can see guys, after 1 hour of charging the Honor 9X device, so let me check the what battery percentage it reached. So 64% after charging for 1 hour in this Honor 9X. So again I'll be recording the video after fully gets charged. Finally guys, after 2 hours and 2 minutes the battery reached to the 100% in the Honor 9X. So overall it takes about 2 hours guys to completely charge the Honor 9X device. So for more videos on the Honor 9X, stay tuned for my channel. Check the links in the description if you want to know more about this device. So see you in the next video guys. Bye.